After our failed attempt, we waited for a better weather window, and today was the day. We still had to navigate up and out of the canal to Sao Vicente, and at this hour we were lucky to have the current with us. Well, after a rough start a few days ago, trying to head out in the middle of the night, having to turn around, here we are. We have been out for about 6 hours, 4, 5, 6 hours. It's a beautiful day today. It's an amazing day to sail. Everything's going well. I fixed everything on my boat except the mainsail. It has a couple little tears in it. I'll try to do that later on or replace it with the new sail that I have, but there's not that much wind, so that's why I decided to leave this sail on and use it. Autopilot is calibrated perfectly. Everything's going smooth. And my dear little Wendy, she's taking a sweet nap, sleeping there in her little cabin. Don't know when we'll see her coming out. Hopefully soon. The ocean is always testing your courage and durability. And when you pass, you can get rewarded with moments like this. We sailed into the night with light winds, even had to turn the motor on to keep pace. Good morning, everybody. We're about 10 miles out. It's been a pretty calm and eventful trip. Autopilot's making kind of a noise, but it's working. So, but conditions have been really calm, and like I said, we're almost there. Can't see land. It must be some kind of bruma seca, you know, some mist. Normally 10 miles away you could see the land, but so we should be there in a couple hours. Well, here we are in Palmera. We made it. Wendy made it without getting seasick. Didn't see her much. She stayed in her cabin. It was pretty relaxed. Now she's getting ready. We're gonna go to land, check out the little town here. Maybe get some food and try to go to Espargos, the little capital here. But waiting for Wendy to put on her star makeup and look. Oh, Wendy, onde não tá?
Na nossa ilha do Sal.
E a viagem estava cool?
Yeah, tchau cool.
Tranquilo?
Tranquila.
Que tenha morrer?
Não, dormi por acaso.
Yeah? E agora está pronta para
Agora,
exploraçãozinha de...
e agora me para explorar a natureza de Sal.
This isn't the most naturally stunning location, but it's a very calm and protected spot to anchor, and fairly easy to get to land and secure. You may have to pay off some kids with change, or do a crock exchange like Wendy here. We then took an aluguer, or shared taxi, to the main town of the island, Espargos, the capital. Charming and got Wendy's attention.
Maria.
amigos. We made it. We're here. Wendy made it. First time in Sal. Primeira vez em Sal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Então. Seu primeiro dia.
Primeira vez, primeiro dia.
Muitas coisas a explorar, descobrir. Uma coisa é tipo mesmo.
Yeah.
So Wendy and I have spent our first weekend on the boat. Primeiro fim de semana juntos. Na galopin, tava good?
Yeah. So this time.
That's true. We just relaxed. It was a great day yesterday. I worked on a video and Wendy's getting acostuma. She's getting into the rhythm of the sailing life. So we go vaga vaga. Now we're having a beer and we're going to have something to eat. Tomorrow we're going to go to town and the next day we're going to go to Santa Maria with the boat. The adventures are starting very slow and calm. Okay, we're looking for a place to eat now. Here in Palmera. Just hanging out cool, mellow. So, step by step with Wendy, right? Okay, this is Wendy's football team. Check this out. She wanted the picture here. Okay, agora entramos fora. Espera.
This place is the spot for great local seafood. Been here for years. Looking out on Galapan, they serve a proper shot of grog. And we got to visit the kitchen with the chef.
Cabo garopa. No,
Classe.
Calá. Calá bossa ou calá? Calá é grosso.
Calá, yeah, calá.
Calá é
Calá tá grosso.
Pegando.
Não, mas tá
Calá é bossa.
garopada. Ui, tudo frio. Ai, os dentes. Ui. Olha que está gostando, é? Diz a ali. Vou gostar de ouvir.
Wendy likes her garopa and I like my octopus. I feel a little bit guilty because I think octopuses are really cool, but they are so good to eat, man. Oh, jeez. And Wendy?
We stayed until dark and settled in for a busy day tomorrow.
Me and Wendy waiting for the aluguer, the yes. Let's go to town.
Tem da Alex.
Época de meu. Bon appetit in the good little restaurant that we found here.
Minha felicidade.
Yeah. When Wendy goes and gets her nails done, she's got to be really spectacular when we go to Santa Maria tomorrow.
This is our friend Laura. We know her from Sao Vicente. Her brother Clayton works at the marina. She's moved here with her boyfriend for better opportunities. And as you can see, she's proficient at her craft, running her own little business. She spent more than 2 hours on Wendy's nails. Beautiful job, no? And charged only $20. I told her that she could probably multiply that by 10 in Switzerland. Now those hands are perfect for our next destination. Well done, Laura. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.